Prax, we've got some questions. We're going to answer them. Are you game?
Yes, let's do it.
Right. When is the best time to sort out guttering?
I'd say we do it in the autumn, just once all the leaves have fallen off the trees. But, I mean, no one wants to climb up a ladder. No one wants to fall off a ladder. And there's always a downside. If you don't get it done, I reckon you're going to end up with damp in the walls and it's going to cause problems down the line. But, yeah, I'd say after the leaves have fallen off the trees. All right, so we've had another question in then. When's the best time to get your boiler serviced?
Right, well, at the end of summer, everyone starts turning their boilers back on. They start getting problems. And that's when heating engineers and plumbers start getting really busy. So best time just to get it checked, because you have to get it checked every year, is get it done just before autumn, just sort of end of August, end of September, before it gets cold. Get it done then, get it sorted, get it out of the way.
Yeah, that reminds me, I haven't even got my boiler done.
Yeah, neither have I.
Nah.
Better get on our own website then.
Yeah, you should service your boiler like you service your car. All right, John, we've had another question in. Do you know that little bit of sealant that you get around the top of the bathtubs and around the sink?
Yep.
Do you reckon that's difficult to replace?
Well, I need to replace mine in my shower tray, and it's sort of come away a bit, and I'm worried that water's going to get behind there. So I looked into it, but it's probably going to cost me 30, 40 quid to get the stuff I need to do it, and I'm probably going to mess it up. So I think I'm going to get someone to do it. But it looks okay. You did it, didn't you?
Yeah, I gave it a go myself. To be fair, it came out brilliant.
Okay.
I'm not going to lie, it came out brilliant.
Yeah,
you wouldn't even know that a professional never done it.
Yeah. You're a special guy though, Prax. I admire you a lot. Right, next one. I'm getting a kitchen extension done. How can I make it easier to live through? I can't move elsewhere or stay anywhere else.
Personally, I'd move out, but having lived through a renovation, there are 3 steps you could probably take. I'd cover up the carpets because you don't want them to get ruined. You're going to have to move. You're still going to need to do your washing machine, and your oven and stuff. So the idea is probably move that into another room, or get a professional to move that into another room. And the dust. So you're going to have to block up anywhere where you're going to get dust in, otherwise you're going to be forever cleaning. When
is the best time to do painting? Is it the summer? Some people think it's the summer. It's not though.
Ain't it?
No. It's all right in the summer, but summer's more humid and it takes longer to dry in the summer, bizarrely.
Oh, I never knew that.
Paint takes time to like cure and then dry. And then, but so in the winter, it's actually crisper and it dries quicker. And the smell goes quicker as well. What's the best way to add value to a home?
Top 3 things I reckon is adding more bedrooms, so you could get a loft conversion, making the kitchen bigger. Everyone loves a big kitchen, especially because it's like you spend a lot of family time. And just modernising it really, like, you know, modern fixtures and fittings, double glazed windows, that sort of stuff.
What are people getting done in their gardens this time of year, beginning of spring?
So we've got a lot of gardening jobs. The 2 main ones I'd say is getting the grass taken care of, so mowing the lawn and repairing all those broken fences from the winter.
Right, sticking with the garden. What rules are there for decking? Do I need planning permission? Do I not?
So a lot of people don't actually know this. If your decking's going to be higher than 30 centimetres, you do have to get some sort of building control or planning. You'll have to look up on your local council. Also, if your decking's going to cover more than 50% of your garden, I think you will need to contact your local planning authority.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah, there's a website called the Planning Portal, and you can go there and check out all sorts of info about planning permission you need in and around your home.
So saving money on your water bills. Can you recommend anything?
Yes. Use less water. Sounds daft, but being conscious of that is really good. You can get filters to slow the amount of water that's coming through. You can insulate your boiler if it's not already insulated.
Yeah.
And
take less baths.
Take less baths. More. Thank you for all your questions. Thank you to Prax for tearing yourself away from your spreadsheets for a short time. Like this video, comment below with more questions, we'll get them done, and subscribe, and you'll get to see them later. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much. This is your opportunity to rate us. Drop us a like if you think it was good. Leave us a comment, subscribe, share it with someone you think you might like it, and we'll see you soon.